This is an industrial-grade high-pressure water cleaning system specifically designed for plate heat exchangers, featuring a high-pressure pump unit capable of reaching pressures up to 240 bars. This high pressure generates a powerful impact force, effectively breaking down and removing scale, oil sludge, and other deposits from the heat exchanger plates. The system boasts a rated flow rate of 170 L per minute. This high flow rate ensures that a sufficient volume of water passes through the gaps between the plates within a given time frame, not only flushing away contaminants but also enhancing overall cleaning efficiency. The pump unit is driven by a 75 kilowatts electric motor, providing ample power to the high-pressure pump and ensuring stable operation even under full load pressure. The system is designed with a cleaning width of 1 meter. This specification allows it to perfectly accommodate most standard-sized plate packs found in commercial plate heat exchangers, ensuring comprehensive coverage. It is configured with 11 direct injection fan spray nozzles, utilizing a single-sided cleaning design. The water jet spreads out in a fan pattern, creating a large contact area that uniformly covers the plate surfaces and minimizes uncleaned, dead zones. The water flow follows a straight trajectory with strong penetrating power, making it ideal for clearing deep-seated blockages. Huangyuan Cleaning Equipment is dedicated to providing clients with customized cleaning solutions. Please feel free to contact us to discuss your specific product requirements.